Today, we're diving into what might just be the future of your content feed. And I'm not just talking about a smarter algorithm. We're going to explore a world that moves way beyond what algorithms think you want and into a world where content is literally created for you, on demand. So let's get right into it. But first, a quick question for you. Seriously, think about it. Last night, when you were scrolling, how many videos did you click on? And how many did you click away from after like 10 seconds? It's that cycle, right? That endless hunt for just one single great video. Well, there's actually a name for that feeling. It's called algorithm fatigue. It's that sense of exhaustion you get from sifting through a mountain of suggestions that are, well, they're close, but they're not quite what you're looking for. It's basically the modern version of being tired of channel surfing. Okay, so let's start by digging into that feeling a little more. Section 1, the problem with perfect. We're going to talk about why finding that perfect video often feels like a full-on chore, even with some of the smartest tech in the world trying to help us out. And this is a dilemma we all know too well. You've got the endless scroll through suggestions, you click on a video, watch for a few seconds, and you're out. Then there are the gaps, those days or weeks between uploads from the creators you actually love. And what do? We try to fill that time by spending more time searching than we do actually watching. But what if there was a totally different way to do this? Imagine for a second that instead of wandering through a massive, overwhelming supermarket of content, you had your own personal chef. A chef who could cook up exactly what you're in the mood for right then and there. And that analogy, well, it pretty much nails the core idea. The old way is like being handed a giant restaurant menu and just hoping you pick something good. The new way? It's like walking into the kitchen and handing the chef a list of your favorite ingredients. You aren't just hoping for the perfect meal, you are defining it from the get-go. So there's a name for this whole concept. It's called bespoke media. And the key words here are active generation. This isn't about finding content that already exists. It's about AI actively creating tailored content just for you whenever you ask for it. All right, so how on earth would this actually work in practice? Let's walk through the journey, right from a simple idea in your head to a finished video popping up on your screen. The process is actually pretty straightforward. Step 1, you just write out what you're interested in, using a really specific prompt. Step 2, you set the schedule. Maybe you want it ready for you every day at 5 p.m. Step 3, the AI does its magic, it cooks up your content. And finally, step 4, you just sit back and enjoy. Your custom media is ready and waiting for you. Simple as that. And when I say specific, I mean really specific. Just look at this example prompt from the source material. Imagine typing, "Create me 2 new info documentary mini videos each day by 5 p.m. based on the history of ancient Roman engineering and recent breakthroughs in quantum computing." I mean, come on, that one sentence could replace hours of searching. Now, this is so important to understand. This is more than just a cool new tool. It signals a massive shift in how we interact with media. It's about redefining your role from someone who just searches for content to someone who actively helps create it. This table here really breaks it down. In the passive search era, basically where we are now, you're a consumer. You find content, and the outcome is something that might be a good fit. But in this new active creation era, your role completely changes. Content is made for you. The result? Something that's a perfect fit. Okay, now this next point is absolutely crucial. This kind of technology is not about replacing the human creators, the YouTubers, the artists we all love. Not at all. Think of it as a supplement. It's designed to fill those empty spaces between their uploads, making sure you always have something fascinating to watch without having to do the endless scroll. So as we start to wrap this up, let's just zoom out and look at the big picture here. This whole thing isn't just about convenience. It's pointing towards a brand new culture of on-demand media, where your precious screen time is actually spent watching, not searching. So what are the big takeaways? First, this whole idea of bespoke media, it could be the cure for algorithm fatigue. It ends the scroll. Second, it perfectly fills those content gaps from your favorite creators. Third, it empowers you, moving you from a passive searcher to an active creator. And finally, it signals a whole new culture of truly on-demand media. So I'll leave you with this final thought to chew on. If you had this power right now, tonight, what is the very first documentary you would ask an AI to create just for you? Just think about it for a second. Your answer might tell you exactly what you've been searching for all along.